Hey guys, how's everybody doing today? So my last holster that I made with the ostrich leg was a big hit, but a full ostrich holster is not in everybody's budget. So when I saw this bag of remnants, I thought, hey, that's pretty cool. I could probably do some accent panels and things like that on holsters, bring it into a lot more people's world that way, without having a full coverage, have to pay for all that square inches, feet, whatever it may be. So here we are, ordered this bag of remnants. This is the quill. This is, looks like I got some leg in there, and there's some different color stuff. I haven't even opened it yet, so we're gonna take a peek together and we're gonna see what's inside. So I bought this with my own money. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. This is what a remnant is. So a remnant is if they have a full-size hide and then they cut it into different pieces for different projects and they have some left over. Because this stuff is expensive, they're not just going to throw it in the trash. They can put it in a box like this, and it's remnants. And people could use it for smaller projects like wallets or keychains or I don't know, stuff like that, watch bands, things like that, small stuff. And then, like I said, I'm going to use it primarily for panels for holsters. So I don't really have anything. Like, let's say that this wasn't an ammo loop thing. It would be like a panel, and it would have a piece of ostrich there as an accent piece. I don't know how to explain it. I don't have one as an example right now. This doesn't matter. Just stay tuned. You'll see some. So anyway, let's open this together, shall we? So I just want to say too that you can't expect to get the same size. You can't expect to get the same colors. You can't expect to get the same pieces, anything like that, because they're remnants, so it's going to change every time. I could have ordered two the same day and they could have been completely different packages. There's no guarantee on sizes or colors or anything. The only guarantee is that you got strips of ostrich in here that have been cut off of other larger projects. So it's 2 pounds is what they say. I got my scale here. You guys see that? All right, so let's zero her out. And let's see, we gotta get this stuff out of the way. Oh, let me put it like this so nobody thinks I'm putting a fast one here. Can you still see it? Okay, and it says 0. Zero it one more time after wiggling it around. Is it 2 pounds? No. That is 1.2 pounds with the bag. So there's our first, let's try weighing it this way. Yeah, we are still at, can you see that? We are still at 1.12. So already right there, my 2 pound remnant bag with the bag, no matter which way I set it, we're still ringing up at 1 pound, 1.2. That's hardly 2 pounds. So that's pretty aggravating. Let's try this. Yeah, 1.12. Well, that is not cool. Okay, let's try weighing it off of the mat for S&Gs, shall we? 0. Yeah, we're still at 1.12 ounces, 1 pound, 12 ounces. So that's not quite 2 pounds. And that's with the bag. Anyway, can't do anything about that now, can we? Let's move on. Let's open this bad boy up. That's strike 2, I guess. We'll talk about strike 1 later, depending on how they handle it. Anyway, there we go. So we got something going on there. We'll look at that in a minute. And take a sip. So this is the pieces of the quills. You can see the little quills right there. Cut, let's play, what did they cut out of there? That looks like some type of holster, I'm sure. Well, I'm not sure, but I'm guessing. So, you got a little bitty piece right here. Same kind of scenario. Another little piece here. I mean, you could use this stuff too, but when they're looking for ostrich, they're really looking for those quills, or they're looking for, is there a piece of leg in here? Piece of the shin. You know, that visible, like that. Piece of the shin. Let's see here. More quill, yeah. I mean, I could use these little pieces like that. Nice little chunk right there. I'm sure I could get something out of that. Another. That is a big chunk of the quill, so I could probably almost do a small holster, maybe some kind of pocket holster or something out of that. It's pretty cool. Some more pieces, parts. Another one. That's a cool color. I like that. I like that color. I'll do some more of it. A little different shade. Oh, there's a nice big chunk right there. Definitely get something with that. That's an interesting color. If you guys see a color you like too, let me know, and I'll see about making you a holster with it as well. This is really not too much going on there. Got some bright red here. Who needs the bright red? Oh wow, that's a cool looking color. I don't know, I like these really weird looking colors. What about you guys? High contrast. Some more of that here. And I think this was, no, this is another piece. So that's about what you get. Let's see here. We'll just say that's no good. We got the red we could do something with. I could probably do something with that, something small. We're gonna go and say that's no good. But I could do that. That. Yeah. Let's see here, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe 9, 10. I'd say we got about, let's say we got 10 good pieces in there that we could do some stuff with, for sure. And then what is this? This is a big thing. It's rolled up in a separate bag. Let's see here. It's a much bigger piece. It's a good little chunk, actually. It's very light. Maybe that's the problem, it's not very visible. But this chunk right here, this is a good piece. You can't really see how much. It's probably close to a yard long, and you probably got about 12 inches of a usable swatch here if you want the real light look. It's, you know, some of these are more pronounced than others, like can't really see, probably because of the contrasting color of the dark brown and the light brown, but it's there. So you got that, and they gave me a skin, I mean a shin, a light shin, so there's that as well. That's a nice usable piece, definitely. This right here costs more than the bag does, so that's pretty cool. So once again, this is not guaranteed. Nothing in here is guaranteed to be the same. You may only get 3 pieces you can use, and they may be all this size, so don't go by that. This is just kind of a unboxing of what I got in my remnant pack. So maybe yours will be something similar to it. If you want a holster made out of anything on here, let me know down in the comments below, and we can discuss what you're looking for and how much and all that good stuff. Thanks for watching.